Do you want to boost your productivity effortlessly? Let me show you how, step by step. First, organize your time in a simple way. Plan your day and choose your tasks clearly. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. Always start with the hardest task of your day. Finishing it first makes everything else feel easier. Reduce distractions as much as possible. Turn off notifications and stay away from social media. Try the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of focused work, followed by 5 minutes of rest. Keep your workspace clean and organized. Clutter distracts the mind more than you realize. Take care of yourself. Eat well, sleep enough, and drink water regularly. Your body is the source of your energy. Now you're ready to get more done in less time. Start today.